Hello friends, I am speaking from Brainy Vedic Maths. Today's my subject is multiplication with two-digit number, but I am showing you with a Vedic mathematics tricks which help your child to multiply faster than a calculator. The first example is 1 5 15 multiplied by 12. 1 5 15 multiplied by 12. I have make a sign circle and triangle, circle to circle and triangle to triangle. So आपको क्या करना है, सर्कल टू सर्कल मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and triangle 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So answer of this sign pattern is 110. You have to keep it in mind. Now we will go toward the bridge system. Bridge is 1 to 2 and 5 to 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So you have to add both the figure. The answer will be 7. The first answer will be 110 and the second answer will be second answer will be 7. So you have to add 110 plus 7 and you will get the answer. But for that the rule is you have to 110, but your plus number 7 is not start from here. It will start from the second figure of the upper figure and you have to plus it. So the 0 is 0, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 is 1. Your answer is 180. 15 multiplied by 12 equal to 180. उसका आंसर 180 आया. अभी हम आगे एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे that will clear your concept. The second example is 24 multiplied by 19. 24 multiplied by 19. So sign to sign. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and triangle 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. The answer of the sign is 236. That is the answer. Now we'll go toward the bridge system. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So you have to plus it. 18 plus 4 equal to 22. But according to rule, you have to write 236, the first answer of the sign, and you have to add 22. You have to add 22, but your 2 will start from the second digit of upper figure. So 6 will be 6. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 2 is 4. Your answer will be 4, 5, 6. I hope that you got it. Your answer is 2, 3, 6 and you have to add 22. But your 2 is not start from here. It will start from here only. So the answer will be 6, 5 and 4. Okay, go for another example. 35 multiplied by 44. 35 multiplied by 44. According to sign system, that means the left hand figure and right hand figure. The circle is left hand figure. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. The answer of the sign method 1220. That is your answer. Now you have to add more according to bridge system. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. You have to add these two figures. The answer will be 32. So the first answer is 1220 and you have to add 32. But your 2 will become here only, not below 0, below first figure, below second figure it will come. So 0, 2 to 4, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 is 1. So 35 multiplied by 44, the answer will be 1450. The rule is you have to add the second finger from the upper second figure. You have to add second figure from the upper second figure. You have to put it from the upper second figure and then start it. Now we will go for the further example of the multiplication. 46 multiplied by 52. 46 multiplied by 52. Sign system, left hand side figure is 4 and 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So that is the answer of the right hand side and left hand side figure agar to sign figures. Then we will go toward the bridge system. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 and 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So 8 plus 30 is 38. द साइन जो दिया है उसका आंसर यही है और ब्रिज है उसका आंसर यही है. बट यू हैव टू ऐड बोथ द फिगर, बट योर फिगर विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेकेंड अपर फिगर. आपका जो फर्स्ट फिगर है 2 0 1 2 and the second answer is 38, but your 8 will be come here only, not here, right? And you have to plus it. So the answer will be 2 9 3 2. Okay, got it? Another example, 55 multiplied by 22. 5 and 2 is a left hand side figure agar to sign figure. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and triangle figure is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So you will get only one figure. So in this case अगर ऐसा एक ही फिगर आए तो आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 0 रखना कंपलसरी है. अगर वन फिगर आए 5 multiplied by 5 इज़ ओनली वन फिगर. सो अगर ऐसा आए तो 105 नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपको 5 के आगे 0 रखना है. नाउ विल गो टुवर्ड द ब्रिज सिस्टम. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So you have to add both the figure. So answer will be 15. So you have to add 1005 plus 15. But your 15 will start from the second number of this figure. Your 15 will start from the, your answer, first sign answer is 1005 plus your 15 will start from, not from here, यहाँ से चालू नहीं होगा, ये यहाँ से ही चालू होगा. So 1 5 15. So the answer will be 5 5 1 and 1. So that is the answer. Second more example is 63 plus 34. 63 multiplied by 34. Sign system, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 1812. That is the answer of the sign system. आपकी जो साइन दिया है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आपको ये आंसर मिला है. अभी हम जाएंगे ब्रिज सिस्टम पे. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. You have to add both the ब्रिज फिगर. जो ब्रिज वाली फिगर है वो आपको ऐड करना है और वो जो साइन वाली फिगर है वो एज इट इज़ आपको रखना है. ब्रिज वाली फिगर है उसको प्लस करना है, ब्रिज वाली दोनों फिगर को आपको प्लस करना है और साइन वाली जो फिगर है वो एज इट इज़ रखना है. और दोनों के आंसर, साइन वाली का आंसर इज़ दिस एंड ब्रिज का आंसर ये है. You will get the answer from the sign system and you will get the answer 33 from the bridge system. Now you have to add both the figure 1812 plus 32. your answer will be 2142. You have to remember that your second figure will start from the second digit of the upper figure. So your answer will be this. Now we will go, last example is 45 multiplied by 39. 45 multiplied by 39. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3, left hand side figure, is 12. And right hand side figure is 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. अगर आप उसको राइट हैंड साइड से रिमेंबर करो या उसको ऐसे याद रखो, अगर तो साइन करके याद रखो, दैट इज़ द सेम, दैट इज़ अप टू यू. आपको जैसे भी करना है आप साइन करके भी कर सकते हो और लेफ्ट एंड राइट फिगर से भी याद कर सकते हो. सो आपकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फिगर है 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इज़ 12 एंड राइट हैंड साइड फिगर है जिसको ट्राइंगल दिया है 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 इज़ 45. द आंसर ऑफ दिस left and right sign figures is 1, 2, 4, 5. Now we will go toward bridge system. Bridge system में जाएंगे, उसके अंदर 4 का bridge है 9. So 4 multiplied by 9 is 36 and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. But you have to add both the figure. इसके अंदर आपको add नहीं करना है, as it is रखना है. बट इसके अंदर आपको यू हैव टू ऐड बोथ द फिगर एंड द आंसर विल बी 51. द साइन सिस्टम आंसर इज 1242 एंड द ब्रिज सिस्टम आंसर इज 51. You have to add both the figure, but your second figure start from the upper second figure. Okay, upper second figure, 5 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 is 1. That is the answer. So you have to, in the beginning you have to do with a pen and pencil, paper and pencil, paper and pen, and then start to do it mentally. For that you have to do practice, then it will be very very easy for you. So if you like it, आपको जो पसंद आया है तो सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो. अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरीज़ है तो माई नंबर इज़ इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन, सो यू कैन कॉल मी एंड आई एम कंडक्टिंग ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ऑल्सो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.